In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop audio looping and audio echoes in OBS Studio. If you're experiencing these issues during your streaming or recording sessions, it can be quite distracting and a significant hindrance to your production quality. Thankfully, the solution is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by opening up the OBS Studio application on your computer. OBS Studio is a powerful, open-source software used for both streaming and recording. It's widely used, so refining your skills with it can be very beneficial. Once you have OBS open, you'll notice various options and tools at your disposal, but we'll focus on resolving the audio echo issue today. Next, direct your attention to the Controls panel, located on the right side of the screen. In this panel, you'll find a button labeled File. Go ahead and click on that. This will pull down a menu with several options, and what we're interested in is the Settings option. Click Settings, and a new window will open up containing various configurations tabs. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side where you'll see a list of categories. Click on Audio, and this will take you to the Audio Settings page. Here, each audio device you're using is listed, and you can configure how OBS interacts with them. In this section, the goal is to scrutinize all the audio devices you have connected. Identify any devices that are not actively in use for your stream or recording. These could be additional microphones, desktop audio devices, or virtually anything else you see. Sometimes echoes are simply caused by inactive devices that still have monitoring enabled, which means they continuously feed their audio into the stream, creating that annoying looping effect. Disabling these unused devices is quite simple. You'll want to click on the drop-down menu next to each audio device, and if there are any that you do not need active, set them to Disabled. Doing this eliminates any unnecessary audio input, which is often enough to stop audio echoing issues. This change ensures that only the audio devices you intentionally choose to monitor and capture will be live. Review your changes once you've disabled the unused devices. Hit Apply to save the new settings and then click OK to close the settings window. OBS should now operate without the problematic audio loop or echo that was interfering with your content. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you should have reduced unwanted audio echoes in your OBS Studio sessions. By maintaining tidy and purposeful audio inputs, your recording and streaming quality will improve notably, providing a more pleasant experience for your viewers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore our related content or leave a comment for detailed help.